Hi, my name is Tamara Elamine, and I will be presenting to you a high-level analysis of Dollar Tree Incorporated. When conducting a financial statement analysis, it is important for a company to perform a horizontal analysis, vertical analysis, and ratio analysis to gain an understanding of how the company fares in comparison to previous periods as well as other organizations. According to Porter and North 2018, it's easy to determine how healthy a company is by reviewing the income statement, balance sheets, and statement of cash flows. Based on the information presented in the horizontal balance sheet, the Dollar Tree's total assets has increased by 2%, even though the company's total liabilities also increased by 2%. The greatest strength the Dollar Tree has is its ability to maintain consistency with its pricing of everything being $1 or less. A weakness for the company is the low quick ratio the company has, which means the company may not have the monies available to pay current liabilities. During the first and second quarters, the trends for Dollar Tree are consistent with no concerns of the company fluctuating in either direction, which is good for current or potential investors. In conclusion, Dollar Tree is a company that has shown consistent performance each quarter, even through a pandemic. According to www.sec.gov/Edgar, the company is expected to spend an additional $30 million in costs due to premium pay, bonuses, and supplies. However, investors will still see a 5% return during the first 2 quarters of the year. As an analyst, I would recommend the Dollar Tree for investors who are risk adverse. Thank you very much, and I hope you find this presentation helpful.